I will collect 500,000 naira. I will collect the one I will do what I see for hand. I will collect the one I know see. So that if I wait for that one where I know see now, I don't know whether that's true or not.
Yeah, hello, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, according to your time and your location. We are here right in the street of Agbo Garage Market, to be precise. We are here to make an interview, which goes like this. If I promise you 10 million naira or 100 million naira to be given to you by the end of this month, or I give you another option to give you 500,000 naira cash, which one would you opt for, and why would you opt for that? So I want people to learn, so that in case they are given such opportunity, they will know what to choose. That's why we are right in the street. Follow me, let me take you to hear people's opinion. God bless you.
I would prefer the one of now. That is the 500,000.
Okay.
Why I would prefer the 500,000 is because we cannot tell tomorrow. As he promised me that next week or any day, he must still make change his mind though. But I prefer the one of now.
All right. Thank you very much. You have answered so well.
All
God
right.
bless you. Hello, my brother. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Now you get this business. Now you dey sell these things. Wow. At this stage, you don't find money. Wow, that is good though. Well, anyway, my name is Onyachukwu Mezi. Can you tell us your name?
My name is Nemeka.
Nemeka.
Yeah.
Okay, Nemeka, I want to ask you a question. If person say make he give you, promise make he give you 10 million naira to support your business at the end of this month, or make he give you 500,000 naira cash today to support your business, which one you go collect, and why you go choose the one where you choose?
I will collect 500,000.
And why you go collect the 500,000 naira? Give us reason to back am up.
I will collect the one I will do what I see for hand. I will collect the one I know see. So that if I wait for that one where I know see now, I don't know whether that's true or not lie. I will collect 500 naira cash.
Because you feel lose everything now.
If I know see that one, that means I don't lose everything. Why I think about it.
All right, because some people now promise can be made to broken, abi?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. But this is your business, no worry. At your age, you don't do business. You don't be like, at least. So if now some people now they go they do one, or some they do Yahoo, they do this, they no one work. My brother, this is your business, no worry. Go pave way for you. And please, my fans over there, hello everybody. If you watch this video, you like the zeal of this boy. I want you, if you can support this boy, anything you want to do, just DM me. I will come and locate this boy. He stays at garage. I know his stuff. Just DM me. I will come and meet him, contact him. Both of you will talk, so that you can do what you have to do for him, so that we can encourage him. Let's encourage young working boys like this. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
All right.
Okay, firstly, I will take the 500,000 naira because at first I'm seeing it as a physical cash, and secondly, the 1 million naira, like I'm not seeing it, and she said she will give me later. So then for the 500,000 naira, I can be able to start up something with the 500,000 naira, and before things start making progress, she will be able to give me the 100 million naira. I have 1.5 million naira, so she'll be able to give me the balance that she said she will give to me. So the 500,000 naira will be able to make me start up something before the bigger amount will come.
That's your answer.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. You have answered so well, like an intelligent and a wise woman. I pray may God continue to guide and protect you and give you more wisdom. All right. Thank you very much. God bless.
I will take the 500,000 physical. I will take the 5,000 naira.
And why? Not 5,000 naira, 500,000 naira.
Okay, 500,000 naira.
And why would you take the 500,000 naira? What are your reasons to back it up?
Why? Because if I dey wait for the 200, the 10 million, I no go know whether the person fit give me or he go give me. So I go take the one when I see with my own eye. I will take that one first.
Because you believe say a bird at hand worse than millions in the bush, abi?
Yes.
Thank you very much. You have answered so well. Beautiful, you know. God bless. Which one you go collect?
I'll buy the 500,000.
Why you won't collect them?
I go use and do something now. I take my mind to do now. Like I go use and do like do what I want to do. Because what I want to do now, plenty. We don dey reach December period. For if I buy something, I go buy cloth, then I go buy for my parents. I go do wetin dey my mind now. Wetin dey my mind now too plenty o.
Alright, that is your answer, brother.
Yes.
So now be wetin you get to tell the public.
Yes.
Alright, thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate. God bless you. One love.
Yeah.